Hey everyone, we're going to do a quick video today. I want to go over a couple of things that are super important for everybody to know. This is a really tumultuous time right now in our history. This is something, I turned 50 this year. This is something that I've never experienced. So I really wanted to help some of you out there understand what we're going through right now. But there's a positive side to this. So let's go over that positive side today. There's three things I really want to talk about. Number one, I want to talk about what is a sales machine versus an actual real ad agency. You know, everyone, I would say that probably 9 out of 10 what we call sales firms out there, they really are just that. They're a sales firm. They're not really an ad agency. We kind of liken ourselves to an attorney-client style situation. We represent your interest. We handle all forms of media, all forms of advertising. We even do some print advertising. So if Google's not working for you, we'll put your ad shift into Facebook. We will find the best return on your investment for your money. There's firms here in our town that don't even do SEM. There's a large firm here in town that doesn't even do Facebook. I mean, how crazy is that? You don't even do Facebook in today's social market. So we're going to go over a couple of things today. What's the difference between a sales machine and a real ad agency? Well, just like I spoke to you, we represent your interest. There's something I want to talk to you today that we're bringing up where most agencies aren't even thinking about this right now. They're hunkering in place while we're trying to empower and educate our business owners and our clients. Our current epidemic, COVID-19, right? There's something on Google Trends right now that does this. It literally does this. And no, it's not an oil well. This is literally 30 days ago. This is today. Everybody know what that is? That's the search term COVID-19. So you think to yourself, well, what does this happen to do with my business? Let me give you a good example. Right now in Etowah County, we did a search today and just did COVID-19 and that's it. No ads, nobody. Nobody underneath that. Are you a restaurant here in town that's open for takeout? Are you a bank here in town? The new SBA has come out. The EDIL, the Triple P program for paycheck protection has come out. Banks right now actually make a commission basically on that, on generating a loan as a lender. If you're a bank right now, think about this. In Etowah County, there's roughly 80,000 searches being done on a daily basis right now for COVID. There's nobody there. Right now, if you want to buy the search term loan or business loan, it's probably $2 to maybe $3 or so, possibly more. If you're a restaurant and you're trying to reach people and you want to use the search term restaurant or to go right now, it's probably $2, $3, $4, $5 per click. Right now, when we looked at it earlier today, you could probably buy that search term for anywhere between $1 to maybe 40 cents. Yes, $1 to 40 cents, and there was nobody there. Your competition is practically nil. These are things that a good agency and not a sales machine will come and talk to you about. We really implore, if your business right now that has anything to do with the COVID epidemic, if you're a restaurant, if you've got something you can provide a service for people right now, if you're a bank for businesses, you could be buying the search term right now and practically have no competition. It's almost free will. Our third point today, listen, this is why we're different. This is a URL that everybody needs to know, apglocal.com, 256-442-6620. If your ad agency, if your ad representative is not talking to you about this and giving you this information, you guys need it. This is super important. This is what takes you to a different level. You deserve that service. So everybody stay safe out there. If you need us, please call us. We're here for all of our business clients in the area. Cheers, everybody.